Erase Placenta, Erase Solutions, I said, of course, Erase, other Erase beauty products. Ayun, Xiaomi, ayan, and of course, courtesy of my boss, Mr. Louie Gamboa, palakpakan po natin. And of course, Miss Knox Gamboa, and ayan, isa rin po mamaya siya sa isa sa mga magpe-perform dito. Wala pong iba kundi the son of Mr. Louie Gamboa. Wala pong iba kundi si Mr. Mark Gamboa. Siya po yung lead vocalist po ng Cross Band. Ayun, palakpakan po natin. Yes, and of course, ayan, I'd like also to announce that this is also a concert of the band called Hail. Ayan po siya. This is an Erase concert series called Hair, and of course introducing Cross. Ayan, so sila po ang may show po ngayong gabi at hindi po ako, okay? Isa lang po ako na host dito. Pero I'm going to render you some songs later, so antabayanan po yan. And of course, with the help of my buddy, my partner, is actually one of the veteran actors and singers. He's one of those, okay? Wala pa iba ako si Mr. Romeo Robles. So, andito po siya mamaya, okay? But before that, I'd like to thank the following right here. Sila po ang ating mga sponsors. Ayan. Special thanks to Baguio Growers. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin. Saan ba sila? Baguio Growers, Baguio Center Mall, STI Baguio, Johnson Harrison, Johnson La Trinidad, Johnson Bazaar, Johnson Magsaysay. Ang dami palang Johnson dito. And of course, 456 Supermart, Plaza Fair, Spectrum, Media Partners, Love Radio, Baguio Chronicle. Palakpakan po natin sila. And of course, also log on to www.mrandmiss.panagbengaonline.com and meet the candidates of the first ever Mr. and Miss Panagbenga 2010 online. Wow! Para itong beauty pageant or something? Wedding starts now. Click on their photos to view their profiles. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to visit www.mrandmisspanagbengaonline.com. Palakpakan po natin sila. Yes? And of course, to our sponsors, once again, thank you so much for sponsoring this show. And once again, to Mr. Louie Gamboa and of course, Mr. Mark Gamboa of Erase Placenta. Ito ang introduction naman ng Erase. Ayan. It's a super duper Prevalent concert event happening in just a few minutes. Kanina wala pa ako. Pero, ayun, nag-start na kanina, diba? But before that, I actually want to let you know na katatapos ko lang kanina ng aking mga series of mall concerts. And of course, mall tours kanina sa iba't ibang mga malls natin, diba? I was there. And of course, I was promoting our product called Erase Solutions, Erase Placenta, Xiaomi Glutathione products, and of course, all of the beauty products of UK Derm Pharma. Okay. And this concert is being brought to you by Xiaomi Marketing Corporation and UK Derm Pharma, makers of Xiaomi Glutathione Soap, Erase Placenta, and Erase Solution. Xiaomi Glutathione, the triple-acting, multi and antioxidant whitening soap, Erase Placenta, the 3-in-1 magic cream, effective as anti-aging and whitening, and Erase Solution, effective for stretch marks and acne marks. I love my body and I love Erase. Palakpakan po natin ang Erase. Yes. Kaya po ako ni-erase na. Na-erase. Ayan, pampaputi. Okay, of course. Pampa-smooth ng kutis, pampabata. Anything that can give you a magical effect to your body. Pang-araw-araw po yan. And it's very effective and it's very, very beautiful. Para at least maging tasty ka beauty kayo. Alright. Oh, thank you, Dorani. And of course, there will be so much more in store for all of us as you're rocking and rolling all night long. So, party people of Baguio, are you ready to roll on? Yes! Okay, let's rock and roll with our third inclusion of our, one of our products as well. Kasi, tapos na kanina yung di ba, yung nag-perform kanina. So, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for Pickle Relish? Palakpak naman dyan. Thank you. More love? Alright, yan po ang Pickle Relish. I'm not really sure why they were called the Pickle Relish. Siguro masarap silang pang sandwich. back pala sila, hindi nagsisera. Anyway, dumating na po si Mr. Mark Gomboe. Siya po yung lead vocalist po ng cross band. Ando po siya kanina, dumating na siya. Biglang dinag siya sa mga babae, mga dalagimding, mga ewan ko kung sa ang school ang mga yun. Akala ko kung sino yung mga dinalag sa si Mr. Mark Gomboe pala. Ha? Oh, okay. Alright, okay. Anyway, speaking of the cross band, okay, I'd like to let you know that you can actually buy the new album of Cross, okay? All About You for only 200 pesos, not dollars. Pesos, okay. And get a free Hale's new album, Kundiman, available at the lobby. Asan ang lobby? Andon, by the door. And of course, I just met Mr. Louie Gamboa, my boss, a while ago backstage. Asan na si Mr. Louie Gamboa? Si Bossing, nasaan siya? Bossing, nasaan kayo? Ha? Nasa harapan daw siya. And of course, ito, the lovely bosses. Ano ba sa babae ang boss? Bossing? Alright. Okay, and of course, that's Miss Nuts. Ayan. Thank you so much for having me here tonight. But before that, I'd like to thank once again ayan, asan na yung mga ating sponsors, okay? Kailangan bigyan ko talaga sila ng special thanks once in every blue moon. Once in every, from time to time, what I say, oh, yan pala ako ba yun? And of course, one of the endorsers also, and here they are. Ayan, ako po yan. Ayan, ako po ito. Ayan, and of course, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga co-endorsers na yan. Si Miss Valerie Conception, and of course, Iwamoto. Ayan, kami po ang mga endorsers po ng Erase Lucena. And of course, UK Derm Products po yan. And hindi lang po Erase Lucena, kundi Erase Solutions and Glutathione and Jobbing Products as well. So, ayan, I'd like to thank them once again. Jobbing Marketing Corporation and UK Derm Pharma, makers of Jobbing, Glutathione soap, Erase Lucena and Erase Solution, bring this great pre-Valentine show in Bago. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all get ready. As I promised a while ago, diba? Sinabi ko na, he's also one of the veteran actors and singers, none other than Mr. Romeo Robles! Palakpakan mo natin siya.
Play